Hello, I'm Anissa. I'm trying to answer some questions that already asked through the email for this recruitment process in Covita. To answer question number one, why do you think you are a good candidate for position of personal assistant in Covita? I think that I'm organized, easy to work with, especially new things to do, and I really like to making sure that everything runs smoothly because I love to work behind the scene. I love to manage schedule, handle the details, and then I really like to help others whatever needed. To answer question number two, why would you like to work as personal assistant in Covita? I really enjoy being the person who make things easier for others and really like to taking care of small things with clear direction from the top so the management can focus on the things that really matters for the business. To answer number three, the question number three, please share what are your biggest achievements on previous places of the job. uh, the biggest achievement in the previous job uh, is, is supported my support my boss uh, in building a more adaptive company structure and standard of procedures for each division, start from finance, supply chain management, production, and marketing, include how to manage the social media, uh, how to run the offline marketing and website for our sales channel. And then I really taking care um, about the transparency because in the previous job there's no transparency between the top and the staff itself. And to answer the question number four, Covita donates money to kids charity and how to make sure that those money we donate are used for helping kids and not being waste. We can get this. Um, I'm sorry. We can get the transparency from the orphanage if we donate to them by getting a financial statement or project report, or maybe we can get their documentation if they inform it through social media, or we can get the report from their parents when Kavita is in process to get in touch with the beneficiary through visiting them. To answer the question number five, we want to sell our products in Germany and want to find the importer company who will help to import and sell products to supermarkets. And how would you look and choose importer company? Then please describe the steps. The first one or the first step I will do to making sure that this partnership is good for Kavita. I will find the reputation of the company first and making sure that their value have uh, I mean their value is same with our value. For example, I want to um, get their information related to sales volume, um, how much they sell the product similar with our product in the past 2 until 5 years, and I want to get the information related to how long they sell the similar product with Covita. And the second step, I will make sure that the regulation of the nation of that company uh, have uh, have a good relation with our regulation in Indonesia. And then the third one, the third step I will to do is making sure that the margin of that company, uh, I mean that I want to get the information related to margin that the importer will buy or will pay the high margin to buy our product. And then to answer the last question, we look for a sales manager to sell our products to supermarkets and fitness centers. Please describe how would you choose which candidate is good for this position and which candidates would not fit the position. Um, when we want to choose the candidates, the first one we need to make sure is this candidate is already has uh, some experience um, to I mean that um, this candidate is already has experience similar as sales manager uh, to sell our product. I mean that I'm sorry. To answer the question number 6, when we want to choose these candidates, uh, we have to make sure that this candidate is already has an experience as sales manager with similar product uh, with Covita. And then to make sure that this candidate is fit with this position, she or he has experience to canvassing to a supermarket or a fitness center. And then the last one, we have to make sure that this position uh, has match with user personality. So if I can choose this candidate, the first one have a similar experience to sell similar product with Covita, and then they have experience to canvassing through supermarket and fitness center. And the third one, we have to make sure that their personality match with user personality. And the candidate that not fit with this position, of course, they don't have an experience as sales manager with similar product, and then they don't match the user personality. I think that's all for me. Thank you.